Hey there, little explorers. Have you ever felt a funny little prickly feeling on your skin? Like tiny bumps popping up all over your arms or legs? And then you look and see goosebumps. It's like your skin is saying, "Ooh, something's happening." But why do we get these little bumps? Let's find out. Imagine you're playing outside on a chilly day. The air feels cool and you might start to shiver a little, right? Well, when you get cold, your body is super smart. It has these tiny little muscles attached to each of your hairs. They're called erector pili muscles, but we can call them your hair lifting muscles. When you feel cold, these hair lifting muscles get a little squeeze, and when they squeeze, they pull your hairs up. This makes your skin puff up just a tiny bit around each hair. And guess what that creates? Yup, goosebumps. It's like your skin is trying to make a little cozy blanket for you. Think about it like a fuzzy teddy bear. When you fluff up a teddy bear's fur, it looks bigger and fluffier, right? Well, your body's way of getting goosebumps is a bit like fluffing up your body's tiny hairs. If you had a lot more hair, like a furry animal, this would trap more air close to your skin, keeping you warmer. It's an old trick from when our ancestors had much more fur. But goosebumps don't just happen when you're cold. Sometimes when you feel a super exciting movie or hear a really beautiful song, or even feel a little bit scared, your goosebumps might pop up too. This happens because your body also gets a little excited or surprised. It's like a surprise party on your skin. So goosebumps are a way your body tells you it's feeling something. It could be feeling a bit chilly, or feeling excited, or even feeling a bit surprised. It's your body's way of reacting to the world around you. Isn't that neat? Next time you get goosebumps, remember your amazing hair lifting muscles are working hard. It's a reminder that your body is always listening and responding, even to the smallest feelings. Keep exploring, keep wondering, and keep your curious minds buzzing.
Why Kids Wonder Stories. See you next time!